turn it into a desktop site. Now it's just like this. Now all you need to do is just, if it's a Safari, it should be like an A and a double A right here. You should click that and run Safari, and then change it request desktop site. So now you're gonna click create, and now it brings you right here. If it's still like still create a game, there should be a manage my games below create. So you should click that. Now go to t-shirts. So now it'll be just right there. So all you need is PixArt. Now choose a black background or anything. I'm just gonna choose a black background from Chrome. Oops, I think I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'm just gonna choose a black background on it. I'm just gonna choose it from Chrome. I didn't know what this ad, so I'm just gonna search black background. So yeah, now to find what the normal one, I'm gonna search for images. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's download our image. Let's open it just to check. Oh yeah, it's pitch black. Now all you need to go is PixArt. If it's already an image in your image. So now if you want to add stickers, you're gonna go here. You're gonna see what you want. I'm gonna search for like a Roblox girl. So yeah, I'm gonna search it. It's still loading, guys. So I think I'm gonna pick this one. Now let's make it a little bit more bigger. And now I'm just gonna crop it. Wait, I'm just adding another stickers like baby butterflies. I love butterflies. You can even draw if you want to, if you're good at drawing. But I don't really recommend. So now I'm gonna choose a butterfly image. I like this one. So I'm gonna put it right behind this girl. Wait, no, wait. Let's move it right over here. Now I'm gonna add a text after this. Let's click the check mark or maybe apply if it's on your phone. Wait. Now all you need to do is go to crop. Now go choose what you like. I think I'm gonna go for a square one because I think I'm just gonna go for this one. So I'm just gonna move it right over here. We're gonna click the check mark or maybe it's apply on your device maybe. So now it's done. Now you want to just apply some stickers, some more stickers. I'm gonna apply more stickers. I'm just gonna search for hat because I want her to wear a hat. So let's pick this one. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more bigger. Does this look good, guys? No, I don't think so. So if you like pick the perfect one you like maybe I like this one. No. Okay, what do I really like? Maybe this flower. I'm just gonna make her hold the flower. Now it's done. I'm gonna click the apply button or check mark because it's check my device. So maybe apply button in your device. Now if you feel like you're done, go press this button or maybe I guess done button or maybe it's on your device or something. I'm gonna click save. I'm gonna save it to my device. And then I'm gonna click done. Now I'm all done. Let's go to Chrome. Let's go search develop roblox.com. Now it's just like this. Now go pick t-shirts. Now as you can see I made 2. Now I'm going to choose a file. Let's go to files. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to name it maybe like a girly shirt, I guess. Now I'm just going to wait until it loads. And now boom, now you go to avatar, your avatar. I'm gonna just go to roblox.com. So now I'm just gonna go ahead to avatar. Now let's go customize. Look at this t-shirt I made. So now let's go to clothing. Let's go to t-shirts. Now it should be on your. Now let's see what it turns out. Look at it. That's just like what you wanted, right? You're gonna. I guess so. I kind of mistaken it. You're gonna pick a square because I think it's way much more because it's your full body. So don't choose like landscape like this because it will turn out on your only chest. So I'm gonna apply this and look at that, guys. It's a custom t-shirt for you guys. I hope to help you guys. See you next time. Bye.